Hello everyone! Dear students, in the previous video, we saw the theme and summary of the novel To Sir with Love. We saw all the major characters and minor characters. In this video, we shall see the synopsis of the extract. Which extract? Chapter 17th of To Sir with Love. Synopsis means brief summary, outline. In this extract, Braithwaite recounts the half-yearly report of the Students' Council in which the students of the school report to the faculty and other students on what they have been studying thus far. Braithwaite's class representatives speak knowledgeably about their course book and place a considerable amount of emphasis on how much they have learned about different people, cultures, customs, and the importance of international and interracial cooperation. Miss Joseph and Denham both are the students of Braithwaite's class. They preside over the meeting. At the outset, means in the beginning, Mr. Florian, the headmaster, addresses the meeting with a lengthy but well-received presentation. One after another, each class gives a brief report of their progress through their chosen representatives on what they have been studying in each subject so far. A panel of teachers is chosen for each class to answer any questions regarding the report submitted by the class. The lowest class begins first, and it is obvious that as the students progress through the ranks, there is a marked development in their ability to express themselves. Mr. Braithwaite's class is oldest. He teaches the senior class, and so his class was the last to present their report. Miss Joseph, a student of Braithwaite's class, begins the highest class's proceedings by clarifying that the common theme underlying all their studies this term is the interdependency of mankind. Potter speaks in the field of maths, focusing on how greater understanding in the world is fostered by the use of common weights and measures. Miss Peck and Jackson speak on geography, and Miss Dare and Furman discuss the subject of physiology. Furman shows a model of a human skeleton, and he stresses the class his conclusion that basically all people were the same. Miss Dodd reports on history and Miss Joseph on domestic science. Denham creates a stir by speaking on the required subject of PT and games, complaining that the class was ill-conceived and pointless. Mr. Weston, Mr. Daly Vance, and Miss Phillips are chosen at random to answer students' questions arising from the senior presentations. When Denham pursues his inquiry on the necessity of requiring all students to take PT, Mr. Weston responds quite ridiculously, trying to bluster his way out of the subject and offering no coherent argument. Unexpectedly, the quiet and hesitant Miss Phillips steps in and gives a sturdy defense of the practice, and Denham, knowing that he has been outwitted, has no choice but to respectfully cease his heated protest. Braithwaite is very much satisfied with the progress of the students of his class. Dear students, we have seen the summary means outline of chapter 17. Now we shall see how the questions are asked on this novel. We have already seen that the questions on this topic will be on plot, structure, theme, setting, language and character. How can be the questions on the plot? For example, describe in brief the purpose of organizing the half-yearly report program of Students' Council. Again, you have to describe the entire half-yearly report program of Students' Council, or question-answer session that took place at the end of the extract. Again, the discussion between two characters. Then the questions on setting. Setting means the background in which the story takes place. It includes place, period, time, climate or weather, and lifestyle. Here, the significance of the place can be asked, or how the setting of the extract contributes to the theme of the novel can be asked. Then the questions on the theme. For example, illustrate with examples the relationship between the teacher and the students in the novel To Sir with Love. Explain why the narrator was anxious at the program. Explain the theme of chapter 17 of To Sir with Love. Describe the atmosphere of the school described in the extract like this. Then the question on language. The style and tone of any of the characters can be asked. I hope you have understood the brief summary of this extract and how the questions can be asked on this part. In the next video, we shall see the detailed explanation of this chapter 17 of the novel To Sir with Love.